Hi, good morning. Sana mai Amoa Resort there? Yeah. Hi, Lata. Yes.
Amoa is coming back to life since the borders were open August 1st. What has been like for the hotel? 3 years. We've been going through a lot of turbulence due to the COVID on the heels of the measles outbreak. Any comments from your end?
It's been a tough 3 years, and there were times when I was entertaining the thought of closing the operation and just wait until things recover and then pull the staff back in and get things off the ground again. But I had a strong belief in our local market. So the challenge was to try and make the most of what we had on hand. And I was quite thankful that the local market kept us, sustained us for the past 3 years. In terms of return on investment, it wasn't the same because we had special price running at the time. It was more because I wanted to maintain my staff, our key personnel, and also the operation. Because I know that it'll be tough to upgrade everything once the borders open, especially when you close for 3 years. So there's a lot of maintenance work that goes in and refurbishment, and of course having to recruit new staff members. So that was the real challenge.
I also understand that government did step in and help out. How has that assistance?
Oh, it has directly impacted our preparation in terms of improvement. So that funding from the government went directly to the development of our new unit. I wanted to keep some for a quick holiday, but no, first thing first, and I went all out. So thanks to the government for their generosity, and obviously they wanted to see improvement as well, especially in Savai'I. As you can see today, we've got the Governor General here staying with us. But before she came, they had a team to assess if we were up to expectation, up to standard. So I'm thankful for the funding as well. That helped us a lot. So very grateful.
What would be your suggestion, advice, recommendation to your comrades in Savai'I, in your industry? Now that tourism is returning to the island, what would be your recommendation to them to improve the services for their own good, in their best interest?
Well, I think right now is start picking up the pieces and pull together and just rebuild, restore, and upgrade, so that our facilities and all that, the impact that the 3 years has had on our operation, if we can start working towards improvement in that area. And then secondly is getting the service. Because right now it's a real challenge to get experienced people in the industry to be able to deliver the expectation the international market is expecting from us.
The person to person.
Yes. So I mean, we had the local market for the past 3 years with that, which I'm quite thankful. It has sustained us. But international market, though, you have to step it up. I think in terms of service, they have a higher expectation in the sense they're from the international level. So nothing against the local market. They're very understanding that we're going through pandemic, but now's the time to step up our service as well to meet the expectation from the international market.
A very demanding market.
Yes. What I'm thankful for is our people are naturally hospitable. It's a Samoan tradition. You serve the matai, your parents. So the youth that we have recruited, we've done some intense training to just so not so much because they've already got that hospitality tradition in Samoa. They're hospitable, but able to cater for the international market, that's where we come in and do the training for them, so they can meet that level.
Lastly, Amoa Hotel was discreetly honored this morning by the visiting Governor General with a special gift. What's your reaction?
Well, I'm honored and I'm humbled to have been presented a gift from the Governor General of New Zealand to express her appreciation, and it reflects that she has thoroughly enjoyed her stay here with us at our Amoa Resort.
She's very satisfied with the service?
Yes.
The quality of the accommodation, the food, everything?
Yes, I'm quite thankful, and I will convey that to the team, the management as well, for their effort. It's encouraging that we are able to meet that expectation as well from such a high-ranking official role. So we look forward to improving from where we are and raising the standard so that the government will have confidence in us, industry, and the hotel industry in Savai'I to be able to host such
events, any guests from now on?
Yes, and being presented with this gift, it's a great honor, and we'll definitely display it at the reception. So it's a constant reminder that we can achieve that expectation from the overseas tourists as well.